Hello from Tokyo. Today I'm going to be mainly using pinks and magentas in this painting. It's a balloon smash painting like before, like these ones, but the canvas is a little bit bigger and the paints are very thin, including the base. Now this transparent color is Permanent Magenta. Because it's transparent, it should create some lacing when I blow it out. So let's start by laying down the base paint. When I first start to lay down the paint, I do tend to put a whole variety of colors down. And then after kind of testing the waters, as it were, and blowing it out, then I will add more paint, but stick to maybe 3 or 4 colors maximum, including a metallic color, maybe 2 metallic colors. So at this point, I'm trying all different things on there. And I do find the darker colors end up working better. Oh, all the colors and paints are in the description box. So it's now time to blow the paints out. Can you see the lacing in the Permanent Magenta? It usually happens when I lay down the paint and then I blow almost directly from above it, and then I seem to get that effect like here again. It's happening there. It's pretty cool. Okay, it's time to smash. That one turned out pretty nice. And don't forget to stick your finger in the center there to align the paint. I like to repeat the process of the balloon smashes in the same spot by putting some more paint down, and then sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't, but when it dries you see the effect. It looks like it's layered, so it's pretty cool. Sometimes I'll do this 3 or 4 times on the same spot. This is a case where I probably should have left it there because that looks fine, but I went in for another smash, which took a lot more of the paint up. So I've run out of, well, I'm not run out, but there's less base paint there too. So I'm adding more color down and having another go at this. And hopefully it should be a bit more of a vibrant flower. Yeah, that's better. So I couldn't seem to leave this flower alone and went back in with some more paint, blew a bit more out, and then went ahead with a smash. But I think it was fine as it was. And this happens, but it's all part of the process. And you know, you can always keep adding more paint. This technique is quite good because you don't use that much paint. You can see I have them all in small containers. So it doesn't feel too bad if you're adding more paint. And as I said before, sometimes that layering gives a really cool effect, and you'll see it once it dries. I wasn't too keen on that section there, so I wiped it all off and got a paper towel, wiped it off, and added some more white paint. So always have some of your base color paint handy if you want to make some alterations and fix some bits. covering up that flower that I wasn't so fond of there. And also where I bumped the sides, I'm adding more paint. But it's quite dry there already, you know, the paint underneath. So it's going to be bumpy. So I've decided to actually do some balloon smashes in these corners too. This actually turned out to be my favorite part of the whole painting, actually. So it was a good thing it happened. A happy accident, as is it Bob Ross who says that? Yeah, it was a happy accident. When the balloon lifts up the paint, there's pretty much just white in the center there. So I'm putting some of that primary magenta on my finger and dabbing the center, which I'll do with this second one too. I actually repeat this process several times later on as well, but I've not kept it into the video, otherwise you will be here for an eternity. I think this painting was about an hour and 40 minutes or something like this. So, but yeah, if you persevere, you can get some really nice middle parts of the flowers doing it in that way. I'm worried here that it's got not enough gold and too white down there, but actually it dries fine. So let's have a look closer at this wet finish. The bumpiness or the lumpiness will go flat, so it will smooth out. I love this corner. I wonder how I did it. I hope I can do it again. I love the fact it's so delicate. That lacing is really cool. I love all that lacing everywhere. This is quite interesting because I wasn't so sure about this painting until it dried. So it's worth seeing once it's smoothed out because it's hard to tell some of the things that are going on. So here it is now dry, and I still love this section. It's so nice. The centers are so pretty. I'm now wondering if I should have done that to the other ones too. I did it to some of them, but not the others. But yeah, it dried really cool. There's some parts that are still lumpy there, but I think it hadn't completely dried in some parts. But there is actually some iridescent color in there, so I think I can show that to you. You can sort of see it there. Yeah. But I can take it to another room and try and see if I can show you that shine better. Here we go. There. Can you see? That is an Arteza iridescent color and the gold that's shining. So I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you enjoyed the painting today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!